to explore the in-call host control in JioMeet app during an ongoing call on your device. Click on the raise hand icon to notify others about your action. Click on unmute icon to start speaking. And similarly, click on the mute option to end the audio. To enable the video presentation, click on the start video icon. And to stop the video presentation, click on the stop video. Click on the participants icon and then click on the participants tab to view and manage the actions, like click on force mute and then confirm your action by selecting force mute. Similarly, click on undo force mute and confirm your action by selecting OK to unmute all participants. Click on the three dots icon and then click on ask for video to enable participants' video presentation. To stop the video presentation, click on the camera icon. Click on the leave icon to end the meeting and confirm your action by selecting end. See, it's that simple. Happy meetings!